I'm here to do a tutorial for you. Today we're going to make Southern biscuits, buttermilk biscuits, and I'm going to show you the ingredients you will need. Stay tuned. These are your ingredients you will need for your buttermilk biscuits. Right here I have 2.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cup of buttermilk. So that's 1.5 cups of buttermilk. Right here I have 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of baking powder, and I added a half tablespoon to it, so it's 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. I have my greased baking dishes. I have a spoon, and I'm going to add half a stick of butter. Okay, right here in my food processor, I have my flour and my butter cubed. It is ice cold. I put it in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Right now, I'm preheating my oven to 425. And what I'm going to do is that I am going to mix this until it is pea-sized. Thank you. Okay, my butter is incorporated with the flour. Now I'm going to add my buttermilk after I add the rest of my ingredients. Okay, I've added my sugar, my salt, my baking powder to the flour mixture, and I'm going to pulse it. Now I'm going to add my buttermilk. Stay tuned. Alright, now I'm going to add my mixture to my baking dishes. Make sure I make them even. I want to make sure they come out just right. Try to get all that good buttermilk biscuit batter out of there. Turn the wheel. I'm going to smooth it out, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I've smoothed out my biscuits in my baking dishes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place them in the oven anywhere from 15 to 17 minutes. Okay, until the top is golden brown. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to preset my oven to 20 minutes, and I'm going to keep a watch on them. Now, I'm going to take them out when the tops get golden. So keep an eye on them. These are my biscuits. I just took them out. I poured hot butter on top of them. Now I'm going to cut into them. And I'm going to show you what they look like. Stay tuned. Alright, these are my buttermilk biscuits. They look succulent. Oh, look at those biscuits. Pour some sausage gravy on top of it. That is my husband's favorite. He always says my biscuits taste like a certain restaurant I used to work for. But these are some buttermilk biscuits. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some gel right on that biscuit. And I'm gonna taste it and tell you what I think. Let me show you how soft it is. Look at how soft that biscuit is. It is steaming, it's pouring out. See that steam coming out? Oh, biscuit. Falling apart. Look at that biscuit. Hold on. Hold on. Ooh, biscuit with jelly. Conquer grape jelly. Look at that. Ooh, you talking about having a food fit. I would say fit for the kids, but the adults know what I'm talking about. Nice and buttery. Soft. That was the top. Right amount of crisp. That's good. I made mama proud. To you and to yours. Have a blessed, prosperous year. May God richly keep you, richly bless you, give you perfect peace and perfect love and perfect joy and happiness, baby. You better laugh. Laugh. That's what keeps you young. Till we meet again. I love you. I love you. I love you. Yeah. Keep cooking. What's for breakfast today? What's for breakfast? That was some sausage biscuit gravy and some eggs and some sausages and some bacon and some fried potatoes. Ooh, little piece of ham. Those who don't like the ham, you can go with some beef bacon. Shoo, I'll eat beef bacon. Thank you. I love you. All right. Be blessed and have a great day. I'll talk to you later.